Bree, yo.
Leave
Yo.
me.
Yo.
What?
Stop playing me, you.
What? Am I ever up your laptop? Are you here?
Who tell if you do it, man? Brother.
No problem.
Bree. Oh, what the
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. So guys, maybe go hurry up to that intro. I don't know if you can hear, but where can I watch my bed? So today I will be doing the drinking my pee prank to see how my boyfriend react. But no, I said I'm kind of so but it's not really my pee. Okay guys, disclaimer, it is not my pee. What I'm gonna do is get something that look similar to pee and drink it to make him see how he would react. So if you guys want to see that video, just stick around. Don't forget to follow us on our socials. Don't forget to like the video, comment Team Bree, subscribe to the channel. You guys can send us prank ideas and challenges of what you would like to see on the channel. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
When we touch, when we touch, I couldn't be aggressive. I couldn't be, yo, you sound tough, daddy. Sound tough. Yeah, I never look right now. Jaja, bro, I'm gonna you know one? Oh, lizard skin. Must have freaking lizard skin.
I want to Uncle Derek in there, you can.
What?
Uncle Derek. I'm a kind of star.
Yeah, Uncle Derek in the youth. How far are you reaching at the show, yeah?
We said today, you know. Midday. That work, I'm going for lunch. I'm missing my little ads come up on my phone.
Which ads?
Ads.
Ads.
Maybe I watch one video on YouTube. You know, say YouTube have ads. So I watch one video on YouTube and the ads come up where say health tip. Did you know that if you drink your pee, your immune system would be great? I'm saying,
If you drink what?
your pee,
As in your pee-pee?
your pee-pee,
Piss.
your urinate, your urination.
The liquid something that come out your front?
Piss,
Show
pee-pee.
me it.
You want me to show you?
How that benefit? How?
Me did say me and say me go back go watch you know, but me want to try it first.
So you don't drink piss?
Yeah.
You are?
Them say I want health benefit. Me want to live happily. No, me want to live healthy. So me would have try. Them say healthy, but me want to live healthy.
How drinking piss make you healthy?
What you mean?
You know say you know no sense.
What? Are you a doctor?
So who tell you say I'm a doctor?
Are you a doctor?
Who tell you say I'm a doctor?
You can see how him dress be.
So how you see man just want to tell you drink piss and drink it? Alright, you see him not tell make a jump over a Ross cliff. And you just run go jump off right and then too.
But him have like viewers tune in and watching weekly health series. So and that the week they matter about immune system, how you're healthy when you drink pee and then something there. Talk the soup.
No, so come here, we have to
Make a try.
try what?
Make a pee now.
Listen.
And
No.
what?
Listen. So when you drink that piss then? No dog. No. Yo, you messing up.
What ya?
You messing up. Wait no. Me have to see that first bad man.
Me want to try first.
So man don't tell you say drink piss. And you drink it.
I mean, they're watching, I'm watching long enough to believe him.
You watch it long enough. So you can't tell me?
So what you mean me and you can do it together and live long?
Me and who? Miss.
Me and you.
Miss.
What's that?
Miss. So alright, when you drink warm to me.
What you mean warm to you?
Remember say we kiss.
So?
Remember say we kiss you. Drink your piece and go kiss me.
So me I can brush my teeth and something.
Miss, don't miss.
Mouthwash and something.
Miss, you are the man there again. Which doctor can tell us?
And me alone do it, you know. Other people, me see them in the comment section and say they try and work.
You know argument with them.
I don't fling envelope to provide it.
Come on, who are going to tell us? Alright, make it till you drink Grandma Zone. Go drink Grandma Zone.
We all know what Grandma Zone is and nobody's not going to.
You know what piece be?
Of course.
What piece can make up of? What consistency of piece?
What?
See, I'm right here.
What you mean, what can that
What make up piece? What in a piece? What in a piece?
No liquid when you drink.
Who drink piece?
Liquid when you drink turn out in a piece. So if you drink water and you pee, it's still water, you know.
But then they say it's bad for your health. They say bad for your health, miss.
Well, another thing doctor man tell me what media watch.
B, that don't make no sense, B.
What you mean?
That don't make no sense, B. Yo,
Leave me now.
that don't make no sense.
Why not make no sense?
I must joke, damn it. I must joke, damn it. I must damn joke, damn it.
Make a pee and come back. Then put some in a cup. You know what? You know what? All the pee, just a try you.
Boy, I must freaking joke, damn it. Brother, are you really gone in the gun people with you?
Are your help matter or mine?
You can't serious, you can't serious gone in the bathroom gun people with you, dog.
Are your help matter or mine? You don't look like flesh.
Brother, which doctor tell you that, man? You must have kiss me in my youth and hold it to go when you try to have foolish.
Never mind, it's gonna help make you healthy.
We?
Yeah.
Brother, stop saying we, dog. Yo. Can't believe say man gone to my phone, brother.
I mean, yeah, you're drinking. I got healthy.
Yes, deaf, we stop say we.
We going to drink it.
No, brother. So let me ask you a question, sir. So if anybody tell us it and say you're going to believe them?
It all depends on who.
Bree. Yo, move, yo, listen to me, man.
What? You know what some? You know what some?
Bree, I can't see yours, dog.
You can sit today.
Bree, I can't see yours, dog.
My dad say piss on the bed, you know?
I can't piss that.
You want to smell it?
Bree.
Mine at that.
Bree.
Do you have now?
Me not laugh with you. Me see yours. I can't drink your drink, that.
I will make a do with it.
I kiss who?
No, you.
Bree. Yo.
Leave
Yo.
me.
Yo.
What?
Stop playing me, you.
What's it? Am I ever up your laptop here?
Who tell if you do, you, brother? Say people tell us to drink grandma.
Nobody not tell nobody to drink Grandma's one.
Post one research come out and man saying fine, he say healthy. You drink it too. Bree, kindly put on the song.
Leave me, make me drink it.
Kindly put on the song and stop piss. Bree. Bree.
Go over there, son. No.
Yo, maybe you're not drinking. I joke, I joke.
Me not joke.
I joke, I joke.
You look like me a joke.
I was joking, I believe not put myself with the
My name is super phone.
I believe not kill myself with the I believe not kill myself with the You can't drink that.
What's
Bree!
Leave me now.
This when we start breathing heavy, brother. Bree! Bree! Yo, me not laugh with you, dog. Yo, you take everything with joke too much in my youth.
Relax, man. Me do what me do, no brother.
Relax, make you do what? Fuckery.
Cover your face if you don't want to see me.
You try to drink it, make you see a man tell off you going off on a cliff and drop and broke in it.
No problem.
Same somebody.
No problem.
Bree!
Charlie!
Oh, what the bumbo blood clot is?
Well, I can say pista tastes good at Ross. I wouldn't advise my body to drink it, but for health benefits you can.
Don't fuck your bum. You say if you don't fuck your bum clot with me.
Come give me a kiss, man.
Yo, listen me now.
Come here now.
Pussy one, start fuck with me. And make sure you wash out them out with Dettol.
Me not wash out.
Matter of fact, don't walk your lip on me, lip. You me tell them.
You can't tell me that.
Bumbo clot, brother, man. Yo, bumbo ass. Yo.
Come here, man. Come give me a kiss.
Hey, listen me, man. Don't listen me, man.
Come give me a kiss, man. Give me a kiss.
Brother, you really think this is true?
Yes.
Fucking idiot.
If I'm doctor, tell you what good feel.
Man, you're not but a fucking doctor.
Aye, hear this.
Fucking idiot. Yo,
Hear this.
me know you're not, man.
Suppose I stranded for the desert.
Me know you're not. Yeah, me say me know you're
No
not.
water, no food.
Me dead. Bumbo clot. Brother, yo.
Give me a kiss, man.
Move from me, son.
Come give me a kiss.
Brother, I really pissed up business and drinking that.
Give me a kiss, no?
Oh, pussy clot. You don't take up one idiot.
Give me a kiss. Me not tap your kiss me net today.
Don't come near me. Bree, just leave me alone, please. Me I beg you, just leave me alone.
Okay.
Me a really drinky piss, dog.
Because the doctor wants it's okay.
Fucking doctor can't tell me that big. Come on, tell me face, no man, and stop putting a piss break, no man, face you. Oh, man. Bree, me not. Move the man. Me I left you alone now.
Give me a kiss.
Me I left you alone now.
Give me a kiss.
No. You want to know your blood clot piss more.
Come give me a kiss, man. I don't have a girlfriend again.
Wait, move the man.
Come here.
Me serious, dog. Me not laugh with you, brother.
Alright. I do what me and a pee-pee. And a piece. And a pee-pee. Smell it.
Come here,
Smell it. Aroma. Aroma juice. Smell it. It's rum. You don't know rum smell? Give me this one. It's my pee-pee. So now give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. We got him good. You know, say the boy react. Why don't I lick my dog for drink one lick of pee-pee? Come on. Okay. Baby.
man. Move fast, y'all.
So guys, if y'all enjoyed the video, like the video, team in that comment section, subscribe to the channel. See you all